Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change password on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then at the bottom right corner you need to click on the menu button. Here it is. Then you need to make sure you logged into your account, and then at the top right corner you need to click on the settings icon. Then you will see this interface, and then you need to click on see more in account center. Here it is. Then you need to scroll down, and under account settings heading you need to click on the first one option, password and security. And then in the first section, login and recovery, you need to click on the first one button, change password. Then you need to choose your Facebook account, and then you will see this interface. First of all, you need to enter your current password, and then you need to type your new password and then retype your new password. So after that, you need to click on the blue button at the bottom of the screen, change password, and then you will receive a code, verification code on your email, and then you need to enter that one verification code. So, and after that, your password will be changed. So, and that's all, and that's how to change password on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.